Hi, I know I've posted two videos before on the van build, but I thought it would be a good time to introduce ourselves. So hi, I'm Pauline.
And I'm Karen, and together we are
Two birds in a van.
I think that went over really well.
Yeah, okay, so I can join it.
I think that went over really well, Pauline.
I think so too.
Yeah, we've been rehearsing
this. Okay, a little bit of a spiel about, back 2018, I started to get into the tiny home thing and looking at tiny homes and looking, maybe property or something like that. But then I stumbled across actually Mel's van life, Mel's van life, and a few other videos along the way, and said to Karen one day, I want to sell my car and trade her in on a van. So here we go, roll in. So we've both been watching a lot of videos. One big one that's really been helpful is Mel's van life,
as well as the indie project.
And the other one would be Max and Ockie. God, I love those two. Ockie's beautiful. So if you ever get to chance to look at some Australian content, Max and Ockie.
Another one that we really like is Camper Vibe. We've got a lot of inspiration off all these people.
Yes. Well, what do you reckon? First bit of timber for the wall. Gone down to marking out the sink to go in there, and it will overreach towards the door, so there'll be a platform there, and that's sink cabinet. Swing around for the doorway, round to possibly stove, fridge and worktop. Swinging it around to the bed. So this is all of the bed, and we much measuring and searching for sizes of beds, and it looks like the bed is going to take up a good part of the van. As you can see, when I come back here into the cabin, there's the door, so there'll be no seats or much. Great big garage though, so we'll see how it goes. Done more of the sound deadening over the wheel arches this weekend, and there. And of course, our first attempt at riv nuts, and you can see we've done an okay job. But I had to do a bit of a modification this end for some reason. I think the van is actually different from the right through to the left, which you can see. So we did a little bit of a cutting there. Not too bad. Well, we'll see where it goes.